Hello guys, I'm here with another unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing the Belkin that has the lightning charge. I mean the lightning port for charging. So you only need a lightning cable. Yeah, you don't need a micro USB or USB Type-C cable to charge this power bank. You can use the same charger as your phone to charge this. Now let's unbox. I don't want to ruin the packaging, so I have to be careful. Shit. Surgery. Surgery level of caution. Ooh, very nice. Here's the manual. I think we all know how to use it, so we don't need the manual. And here's the power bank itself. Typical Apple white. By the way, Apple isn't white in real life. But if your phone is black, I feel bad for you guys. Because my phone is not white, my phone is red. Whoa! Battery indicator is 2 USB-A for charging. You can charge 2 phones at once. This can be for your iPad, this can be for your iPhone or iPod Touch whatsoever. And this for charging your power bank. This side is empty. Some branding. It's rounded, so shaped like iPhone 6, but thicker. So that's it for the video guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.